Welcome back to Realtecshop, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in technology reviews. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse laptop that's designed to keep up with your demanding business needs, the Lenovo V15 Gen 4. Stick around as we uncover why this might just be your next ultimate business companion. Hey everyone, I'm Realtecshop. And in today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Lenovo V15 Gen 4. From its robust performance to its sleek design, this laptop promises to be a game-changer. Let's get started. The Lenovo V15 Gen 4 is not just any business laptop. It comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD display that delivers crisp and clear visuals, making it perfect for presentations and detailed work. One of the standout features of the V15 Gen 4 is its Intel Hexa Core i5-1335U processor. This chip not only competes, but outperforms the Intel i7-1270P, offering exceptional speed and efficiency. Paired with 16 GB of RAM, multitasking becomes a breeze. Built with durability in mind, the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 boasts a sturdy chassis that can withstand the rigors of daily use. Despite its robust build, it remains lightweight and portable, perfect for professionals on the go. The design is sleek and modern, with a professional aesthetic that fits perfectly in any business setting. Plus, the keyboard is comfortable to type on, with well-spaced keys that make long typing sessions less tiring. The 15.6-inch Full HD display offers vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, editing photos, or watching videos, the display quality will not disappoint. The anti-glare coating is a nice touch, reducing eye strain during long hours of use. And with slim bezels, you get more screen real estate for a more immersive experience. Performance is where the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 truly shines. The Intel Hexa Core i5-1335U processor, combined with 16 GB of RAM, ensures that you can handle multiple demanding applications simultaneously without any lag. I've tested it with various applications, from heavy-duty spreadsheet work to video, conferencing, and even some light gaming. The laptop handled everything smoothly, showcasing its impressive capabilities. Storage is another strong suit of the V15 Gen 4. With a 1TB NVMe SSD, you get fast read and write speeds, ensuring quick boot times and rapid access to your files. The connectivity options are extensive, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, an RJ45 Ethernet port, USB Type-C, USB 3.2, HDMI, and a headphone/microphone combo jack. This makes it versatile for various connectivity needs. Security is paramount, especially for business users. The Lenovo V15 Gen 4 includes a built-in webcam with a privacy shutter and TPM 2.0 for enhanced data protection. The privacy shutter is a simple yet effective feature to protect your privacy, and the TPM ensures your sensitive data remains secure. Battery life is crucial for professionals who are always on the move. The V15 Gen 4 offers impressive battery longevity, allowing you to work for hours without needing a recharge. In my tests, the battery easily lasted through a full workday of mixed usage, including browsing, document editing, and video calls. The Lenovo V15 Gen 4 comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, offering a host of features designed to enhance productivity and security. Windows 11 Pro provides a smooth and intuitive user experience, with features like virtual desktops and improved multitasking capabilities, making it ideal for business users. We've also put the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 through its paces in real-world scenarios. From office work to remote meetings and everything in between, it excels in delivering consistent performance. Whether you're a business executive, a content creator, or a student, this laptop adapts to your needs seamlessly. It's a versatile machine that caters to a wide range of professional requirements. So, is the Lenovo V15 Gen for the right choice for you? If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance laptop that can handle your business tasks with ease, then absolutely. Its powerful processor, ample memory, and robust build make it a standout option in the business laptop category. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Talk. Stay updated with the latest tech reviews by subscribing to our channel. See you next time.